Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I guess this is a good time to introduce our two new ragdoll kittens here. Let's see, this is Pickle. And Pickle is very interested in what is going on. And over here we have Pumpkin, and they are providing us a lot of joy. So it just started to rain outside. I figured I would do a quick video with you indoors as I'm doing an unboxing today from New Hampshire hostas. However, this time these are not hostas. You're actually going to be seeing a number of shade plants coming up with me because on our other side yard, it is a very narrow, shady spot, and I am going to try some hostas and ferns over there. And fortunately, my mom has a lot of ferns. She said I can come and dig some up soon, which is great, and I have ordered a few different types here. So these are ferns that I didn't think that I'd be able to find very easily around here. And here is our first little guy. This is Godzilla, a giant Japanese painted fern. So Godzilla is still baby Godzilla at the moment, but this fern gets to be really, really big. So I'm checking my notes here. The Godzilla painted fern is hardy for zones 5 through 8. It gets to be 3 feet tall and 5 to 6 feet wide. That is very, very big. Now, of course, as I have Pickle here, many of our ferns are non-toxic. However, I don't particularly know about these. So these are going to go right outside so that they're not tempting to our little kittens. And that goes for all of your plants. You always really want to be very aware of where your pets are and where your plants are. So here's the Godzilla painted fern. And then I have, I think this is fascinating, of course. This is Proven Winner's Crested Surf. So the cool thing about this fern is at the end of the fern, there's it separates into little pieces. Isn't that interesting? Yes. So this will get to be not as big as our Godzilla fern here. The Crested Surf painted fern looks similar to your regular Japanese painted fern, but it's double crested on the end. And this is hardy for zones 3 to 8. So I'm thinking I'll put this one in a planter. And then I have one more in here. This is the Jurassic gold fern, a gold wood fern. So the cool thing about this is it grows to be a beautiful gold color. As those new fronds come in, those fronds are going to be orange in color, and it's going to be then turning a green color as it goes through the season. This particular one is hardy zones 5 to 9. It gets to be 24 inches tall and 18 inches wide. And so these will go out into the shade garden. So thanks for helping me with my unboxing here. And the kittens, thank you for saying hello to everybody. I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.